Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. I'm just going to jump right into the video and start off with this amazing wig that I received from MyFirstWig.com. It came in this cute box. I absolutely love the packaging. As you can see, they also gave you a wig stand. Now, this one is very unique. It's not like anything I've seen before. They do have instructions showing you how to put it together, as I'm demonstrating here as well. Inside of the packaging, they did give you a cute little bag. I'm definitely going to use this for a makeup bag. They gave you some wig caps. They gave you a Flyaway Tamer. Now, I believe you have to pay $9 extra for this, but it is like a cream for you to use on the hair. And then the hair also came packaged in a separate package. They gave you clips. They gave you an elastic band, a comb, and of course some clips, and of course the manual showing you how to care for the hair, as well as the instructions to put that little wig head together. Because at first I was like, wait, how do you put this together? And I guess I was supposed to open this first so I can find out. Okay, so we're going to get right into the wig. So the wig that I received is the Malaysian blunt cut lace bob wig. The name of the wig is Jamie. I have it in a 10-inch, a medium brown lace color, and my cap size is a 2. Now this is a silky texture wig. It does come with the elastic band around the wig, as well as 3 combs constructed in the wig as well. Now this wig, you can pretty much just put it on your head. I didn't have to wash it. It didn't have any backs. All I did was cut the actual lace off, put the wig on my head, and plug up my flat iron. It's really just that simple. You definitely want to make sure that you use heat protecting spray anytime you put heat to your hair. I just went ahead and I ran my flat iron through the hair, and I also used my hot comb to actually lay the hair down. Now the Flyaway Tamer did help a lot, because I did have a lot of flyaways with this wig, more than I thought I would have. But it wasn't anything that the cream that they put in the box wasn't able to maintain. So I was definitely able to lay those flyaways down with that cream. This is a wig that is literally popping right when you get it out of the pack. You can put this wig on and be out the door within 10 to 15 minutes. That's how much low maintenance is in this wig. So as you can see, just running my flat iron through it for a few minutes using my flat iron as well as the Flyaway Tamer, this is the result that I got from this wig. Was able to put it on and achieve this look within 15 minutes, which I absolutely love. I did not glue this wig down. I just put the elastic band together, and I put it to my liking to fit my head, which I do have a big head, so this wig is big head friendly. And I just went ahead and I put the wig on my head. So no, it is not glued down, but it is very secure. And I wanted to give you a different look that you can achieve with this bob as well. You don't really have to keep it straight if you don't want. I did go ahead and I put some wand curls in the hair, so I'm just pretty much just wand curling the hair. I didn't want the ends to be too curly, so as you can see, I'm not going to curl the ends. I want to keep the ends straight to give it like this beach wave look, as you can see. This is the result that I got from using my curling wand. I absolutely love it. As you can see, I'm using it to flatten the wig down at the top. I love these beach loose wave curls. It added a different touch and a different look to the wig. So no, you don't have to stick to the traditional straight. You can go ahead and run some curls through it as well if you would like. So I believe this wig will run you under $200, which is a plus because it is a human hair wig, so you don't have to really worry about it tangling. And I know that this wig will last me a long time just because of the maintenance of the wig. So I'm definitely going to put all the information down in the description box. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.